A very good morning to everyone. For all the blockchain developers, can you please confirm is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Cool. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we'll just start our class in just 5 more minutes. So we'll give some time for another students to join. So we'll be starting our class in just in 5 more minutes. Make sure in meantime, please make sure guys you have ready with your doubts and ready with your everything so that we'll have this session for clearing all your doubts. Okay, do you have any doubts regarding that app anywhere, anytime? Please let me know today. Is that clear? Guys, hope everyone are there in the class. So can we just start our class so that if you have any doubts, please let me know, guys. Any doubts facing any errors regarding the development of the DApp? Hello, are everyone there? Is my voice is audible to everyone? Cool, guys. Please ask me the doubts which you have now. So tomorrow we'll just wind up with the how it's going with the student app development. Have you understood where are the exact errors? In Web3, I didn't mention anywhere that you have an error. You need to find out where exactly the error are. But in the contract, I mentioned the amount which you have to give to the respective percentage and everything to the numbers, so that it can be easy. But in the Web3, I didn't mention anything. You have to find out where the errors are. Is it clear to everyone? Do you have any doubts anywhere? Cool, no issues. You can use the Windows, but you need to aware of the commands which we need to use in the Windows. Okay, there are separate commands for Windows. Please search for those commands and you can easily use those. The packages are already present in the installation steps, installation guide. See those guide and you can easily install. Now, so I already told about you have, I mean, we'll discuss about the problem statements we all given. So today we're going to have those discussion. I mean, if you are done with your doubts, I'll just move to those sessions. Are everyone done? So that I'll move. Done with your all doubts, right? So that I'll move to your problem statements which you have given, so that we'll discuss here. Cool. More. I need a more responses from everyone. Great. I mean, most of you have submitted the response for the Dow attack, and I hope everyone understood what is exactly reason for we having a Dow attack. So as a developer, you guys need to be understand what is the reason why we have a Dow attack. Okay, I hope everyone understood that, and make sure you also don't be in that attack anywhere in the future. Hope you'll write your contract in a more legitimate way without any drawbacks or loopholes. Is that clear, guys? And how many of you completed the initial step like writing a contract in the student app? How many of you done with that? Cool. More guys. You all know that after only the certifications and everything will depends upon the capstone project. There are percentage awarded to your capstone project. As I told you before, the assignments and the active participations and the capstone projects are definitely taking, we'll definitely take into consideration before giving anything. Is that clear to everyone? You need to you need to complete this capstone project at any cost to successfully complete this course, so that you'll have you'll just complete the course with a capstone project, and for the capstone project, for the successful deployment and successful running of the capstone project, you will be definitely awarded the marks. Don't worry, guys. Today, today you'll have a Google form where you need to post some pictures, okay, so that the people who successfully completed the capstone project will be awarded accordingly. Is that clear to everyone? Cool. Now, so as I told you before, I was for the problem statements, I got some very use cases like land registration, smart contracts which can use for rating a movie, where many movies get fake movie ratings. So contract a genuine rating can be, using this contract, a genuine rating can be published. Cool, that's great. Blockchain based electronic voting machine, how blockchain can prevent voter fraud. Yeah, this is one of the best use case which can be solved using the blockchain, I mean the e-voting. Okay, this is one of the best use case for the blockchain to use its full potential in this where we can use this what we call the blockchain to the utmost, and we can solve the problem also. So there is one more problem statement called blockchain based electronic voting machine. Yes, As I told you before, yeah, sorry, the same one, there's an explanation for that. And yeah, he gave a very good explanation. The student who have wrote this contract have gave a very good explanation of this contract, so that if a person reads this explanation, can easily understand the flow and can able to write the contract in a way after reading this flow. I hope everyone please make sure that you write the comments as a developers. Guys, please remember this is the one of the important step, as when we are writing a when we are developing a project, we'll think in that way that we will remember every step, everything and every flow. Please, after when we are moving to another project, as we more give a more time to another project, we are more concentrating another project, we'll just forget the previous project steps and the flow. Always try to give the comments wherever the necessary, please, because so that whenever you are referring that contract for any use case, you'll just understand the steps, the comments. Through the comments you can easily understand those. Okay, guys, please make sure that you give comments. That's a definite that's an important one when we are giving. I hope in a web3, I want to see the comments where you have made the changes in the top of the before the changes. Please give a comment, and I just want to see how many comments have you did, and how many changes you have made. Is that clear to everyone? In an index.js file, I need what are the changes you have made in and give a comment to the every change you made. Okay, and also give a small explanation, one line explanation why you are doing that. Okay, is that clear? Guys, remember, see, those are the points, those are the places where you can get the full total marks for that. Okay, as I told you before, we'll take consideration of every step you do, so that we can award some marks. Clear to everyone? Cool. Now we'll just move to another contract. There is a contract with name where a participant is allowed to play a simple game called matching pace. He can play the game only if his age is above 18 years, does not play previously. Cool. We are restricting the users age, so that the contract will automatically restricting the user's age when he given an input. As I'm seeing the problem statement, yes, we can make sure that how we can reducing the, are we taking the input as 18? If we given as an input as a 16 years person has given an input as 18, but how does it verifies that this age is 16? So as we know, we in some of the sites, if they ask for the age verification, some people, the people below 15 will try to give their age as 18 and 20. That's a just a verification where we need, it's just a verification for the screen, but that doesn't limit the exact users to enter into the website. Is it clear? Have you got this point? If we given the uh, if we are giving the age is has to be 18 years above, some people with 15 years can enter a number like 18 and 20. They can easily move to the further steps. But how we are restricting here? Okay, this is yes, it's like a simple, there's no need of even asking for a age. We are just mentioning that it has to be 8 for from our side, but in real time it not even working. Okay, guys, please try to make sure that if you're giving the 18 age is above 18 years, make sure that how exactly you are restricting that. Is that clear to everyone? Cool. Now there is a Ethereum subcurrency standard. The code we will analyze now creates a basic form of cryptocurrency. Anyone who has an Ethereum key pair can exchange these coins. However, only the contract creator can issue new ones. This one Yeah, cool, 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 cool. Yes, I wantonly made the screen hide. Concentrate on the problem statement I reading. So there is a one more problem statement. This is a problem statement. I mean, which can be fraud hall tickets are issued by third parties by just cloning them and modifying them. If we track the hall ticket at each point of its transfer from one state to the next state, that is, I consider it as a supply chain from government, institute, students, exam center, so that government can keep track of the student and where the hall ticket is at last is in this way. We can avoid the fraud of hall tickets. For this, I took struct types to store details, and tracking is used to track the address of hall ticket owners. Guys, I mean, the person who have suggested, the student who have suggested this fraud hall tickets can just, I suggest you to, instead of hall tickets, why you try with the certifications, like the student certificates. Cool. Is that you, Nandana Siddha? Cool, cool. That's great. That's great. Just a second, guys. What I think. Cool. Now, great Nandana Siddha. We can just try to use this problem statement as a public. I mean, instead of hall ticket, go with the certifications. And yeah, this is the one more. I am more interested in knowing about this project, that Helping Hands, a place where student of institute fund the DAO, where a student can claim the right to get help whenever there is a financial need. I want the student who have this problem statement. Can you please raise this student? Who is this student? I know that name, but yeah, cool, cool, Venkata Reddy. Yeah, I didn't went through your code now. I'll just go through that. If I think if you gave more introduction to your project, I mean to your problem statement, it will be more useful. Okay, I'm just thinking how exactly you are using this technology to be used as a, and like a helping hands. Oh my God, you still, oh, you only had a problem statement. I just want one more. The student who has wrote this contract like above 18 years, like a simple game calling matching pace. Who is that student? Guys. I mean, just a second. I'll just check who is that person. But before that, what I'm doing, I'm just going through the individual assignments. Chandramouli, are you there? A student by name Chandramouli. Cool. Football. Great. It is used to take a yes or no poll between decentralized network. It helps in a way that whatever is your response, your identity will be autonomous. And this is one-time poll. I mean, you can only respond once with your own address. It can check the how many positive response a particular location have. For example, it helps in calculating number of COVID cases in an area without revealing the identity. Great, great. Chandramouli, is it working accordingly? Everything works. You have mapped, have created a private creator, you have used private. Cool. Functional address, public. Great. Can you just add more functionalities to your uh, contract that it can be more effectively, not only just restricting to the only number of COVID cases? Like, if you can add, is it possible for adding the area? I mean, in this area you have these cases, like a table to show. Cool, great. Your problem statement one is great. The contract stores the details for a particular address. The second one, yeah, it stores the particular address. Yeah, it's also great where you have learned something. I've implemented. That's great. Thanks for your response, Chandramouli. Definitely, you have a contract which can be, if you have more functionalities, if you improve this contract, you can definitely make this into a DApp on your own. Is that clear? Make sure that you have some more functionality so that it can fulfill to be having a DApp. Clear, Chandra? Cool. All the best for your that. Please add the functionalities, more functionalities, and let me know that, so that if you have any help anywhere, I'll just help you out. All the best for that. Next, Sanjan Kumar, are you there? Cool. You were given the one of the what we call one of the best explanation for the DAO attack. Okay. I hope you got the clear picture how the DAO attack has been done and what is the reason for that. Hope you make sure that you understand the underlying technology and underlying things which can be done using the smart contract from other developers when we have some leakages. Yeah, you are also having one of the best problem statement in government housing schemes. Guys, please listen your speech students problem statements that you also can understand how they are working. I mean, what are the problem statements we can even explore. Is that clear to everyone? Cool. Please understand the problem statement, guys. That's important. See, they are giving they are giving even scope that even we can apply in this field that the blockchain can be implemented to the most. In the government housing scheme, there were allegations that houses were going to be supporters of ruling government. So introducing the blockchain, we can bring transparency in that scheme where people can pay directly to the government using the blockchain technology. Yeah. So I think this is the problem you are taking from your general case scenario where, I mean, is there a real-time problem? Are they facing Sanjay? Cool, cool. So you have predefined your, yeah, great, great, Sanjan. You have took the predefining your address, but is that address is working? I mean, you took that address from the Etherscan? Because I can see this, there are case sensitive uh, letters in your address. Is the exact address took from the Etherscan? Is your address is supported in the smart remix ID? I mean, in your contract? No, no, no. I'm not talking about the fake address, but the way you are took the address. Because always take the address. See, copy your address, paste in the Etherscan. You'll get the exact way where it will the remix ID will capture that address. Okay. There are some case sensitive issues with the direct. If you are directly copying from the MetaMask or anywhere, there are issues with the case sensitive in the smart contract. I mean, in the IDE. So always use the addresses, copy that address in the Etherscan. I'll just show you all. Just a second. Guys, hope my screen is visible to everyone. So guys, let's consider we have a tracking here, functional. So what I'll do, I just want to give a address public. Guys, is my screen visible? See, when I'm directly copying an address from the Ethereum JavaScript virtual machine, what happens? It shows an error because everything is correct. We are doing every step as a correct step, but this looks like an address, but has an invalid checksum. Correct checksum address has to be this. This is not use an address. Please prepare. We got some error. Can you see that? The step we are using is correct. The how we are assigning our address is correct. Everything is correct. But when we are coming to the remix ID, there are some case sensitive issues with the remix ID for the addresses. So what I'll suggest is please go to the Etherscan. Okay. Please go to the Etherscan and copy the address which we want to use in the contract. Paste it in the search. Okay. Paste it in the search. And you at the top, can you see here, everyone? You'll get the address in exact way with the case sensitive part. Please copy this address, the address you want. Please copy this part and paste it here. Done. Can you see? Now the address is accepted by the remix ID, and even in the contract, even when we are developing an app, please try to give the addresses in this way. Is that clear to everyone? Sanjan, you need to change that part in your contract, and hope everyone are understood this part. This is important. I mean, we make some mistakes, and this can be a huge time consuming part when we are dealing with the addresses. Is that clear, guys? Everyone, I need a response. Raise your hands, guys, please. Great, great. I think Sanjan, I hope you had given a better explanation for your yeah, online e-commerce site where seller keeps. Yeah, for the second part, I didn't find any contract here. Hope you develop that. And And contract one, yeah, the government housing scheme, yes, that's a good one. I mean, yeah, we can solve that. Sanjan, if you have anything more functionalities you can add, please use that. Yes, great. The way you have wrote the contract is, yeah, it's good. We can do this part. Sanjan, uh, if you have, please, if you have any functionalities more which can be added to the contract, do that. And if you start develop after the student app, they will try to develop your app. If you have any doubts, you are open to ask me any doubts regarding this. Okay, I'm ready to help you in this part. Okay, all the best, all the best for the Sanjay. Next, we have a cool. Uh, Great, Akilandeshwari. Are you there, Akilandeshwari? Is she there? No, Sai Venkata Reddy, please ping me in our WhatsApp or any other, because when I close this chat, the chat will be gone. I can't able to read the whole data. Do the same thing, send it in my WhatsApp. Is that clear? Cool. Is Akilandeshwari there? Okay, cool. We'll move to the another response. Kavya, are you there? Kavya? Oh my God. I didn't see any. I mean, there are no contracts. Have you didn't submitted your contracts? That I can only see the Dava attack here. Cool, but you did the best thing in the Dava attack. I mean, you have explained every part. I mean, you should have given a try for your contract one and contract two also. I mean, you can do that, because understanding the Dava attack and giving explanation on that is a very big thing. I mean, if you did that, you are capable of doing writing a contract on your own. Is that clear? Cool, great. Push your limits. I only say push your limits, Kavya. All the best for that. Anudeep, are you there, Anudeep? Cool. See, why, Anudeep, you are even navigating. I ask you all people to have a file, paste your file here. Even you are navigating me to another drive link. What is that for? You can even directly paste it here, right? Cool. Great. You understood the folk, right? What exactly the problem is. That's all I want. Yeah, we explained in a clear way. I mean, hope guys, please try to explain any contract or anything in a clear way that you can improve those skills in a way of expression. We can learn the exact underlying things which we are lacking. And cool, Andeep, I think why you are restricting yourself? I mean, what happened? Do you have any problem or do you need more time? I can't say anything more. Anudeep, are you there? Do you need more time for this? For your problem statements?
Cool. See, Anudip, you have understood everything. I can see your response. I mean, it's good. It's brilliant. I mean, explaining everything in a clear way. The second para, I mean, the second way you have explained everything. The loophole existed, and the third para, how we can prevent the hacker. See, you understood the law. You understood the way how the DAO attack has been happened. How we can save it by using the soft fork for the 28 days. See, there is a design, even a like a blacklist. You have mentioned like a blacklist all the transaction made from the DAO. You have the clear view. Cool, no problem, no problem. There, yes, we have limited the time, but even after the course, there is no limitation for exploring your skills. Okay, please don't stop this at this point. Okay, if you stop, if you think this only this problem statement for this course, please, you are in the wrong way, in your wrong path. Try to make sure that improve this. This is not for my sake, guys. Please see, these are the problem statements. I didn't give any problem statements. Okay, these are the problem statements which you are considered on your own, because even after the course you can use this problem statements. You can even develop the part. That's the reason I don't want to restrict you all students to this course only. That's the reason. Even the assignments, even the projects, the even the assignments which we are discussing, it's not for this course. Okay, this is the course, this is the assignment which they can, you can even work on that after the course also. Okay, have you understood now what is the main reason I have told you to choose only the problem statements in your surroundings, the problem statements you have faced till now? Everyone, have you got that point now? Don't try to restrict the assignment only till the course. You have to work on this after the course. That's the reason if you have your own problem statement, you'll get the motive that even after the course you can work on that. Is that clear? If I given my problem statement on my own, there will be a different perspectives. If you have your own problem, you are developing your own app. These are the problem statements. You can easily convert them to that. I hope everyone understood this point, guys. In the what is the exact reason given for having your own problem statement? Cool. I hope use this opportunity, guys. Use the way of we are giving the assignments. I mean, the way I give the assignments to the core, so that you'll just benefit yourself. There is you have to benefit from this. Okay, from writing this assignment, you have some benefit, like having working on your own problems. In this course, without knowing a blockchain, you have started a blockchain journey. Now you have your own problem statements, working on your own problem statements. I mean, 2 sets of problems. That's a great thing. That's a great progress you can expect. Okay, that's one of the great things from your sides. I mean, you have to congratulate yourself, guys, for making, I mean, having your own statements, problem statements, and working on that. This is the progress. You can see the progressness in your learning. Okay, please do that. And Anudeep, take your time, no problem. Don't limit this assignment only for this course. Use this assignment till the end, until you have the blockchain in your mind. Clear? Great, Anudeep. Venkata Reddy, are you there? Sai Venkata Reddy? Cool, guys, I'm just went off with all the DAO attack answers. I mean, you are giving the clear understanding what is the main reason. Yeah, that's great, guys. I hope everyone understood this technology. Great, Venkata Reddy. I hope, please try to do. You are the one who have done with the helping hands. Great, Venkata Reddy. Try to give the explanation same how you did for the DAO attack. Please try to give the explanation the same way for your contractor. For the every problem statement, give a clear explanation why you are doing that. So that's the reason I mentioned that. Give a detailed explanation how you have solved this problem using Solidity smart contract. So please try to mention that part, guys. Yeah. Yeah, Sai Venkata Reddy, can you tell me when it can be done? You have the best use cases, Sai Reddy. See, one is a helping hand, guys. The Sai Reddy has one of the helping hands where we can prevent student institution fund. And another is the alcohol supply chain management by government institutes. Yeah, cool. That's great. That's great. Do that. I suggest you to do that, the helping hands part, how we are doing with the NGO part in a decentralized way. As you know, the alcohol supply chain management is also important. As I congratulate you for taking this. All the best for your projects. Finally, your projects, Venkata Reddy. All the best for that. Keep going like this. Yeah, I read out your problem, right? Statement. Cool, great. So, uh, cool. I understand that. I understand that. I think you already posted in the chat, right? Please, everyone, please have a look at that. So, as we move to the next one, Nandana Siddha, I think we already have the word regarding your response, right? Yeah, I mean your problem too. I have discussed, I have suggested to use the certifications for the problem one. I suggest you for the problem two. Yeah, you have taken the one of the use cases which are going right now. Yeah, that's great. That's great. But I suggest Nandana, please try to change the variable names according to the contract. It's important that in the hall ticket contract, please change the event names the according to your I mean functions names, variable names according to the contract. It's important. I mean, when we are reading that, we need to know, is that exactly the way we are creating? I hope, yeah, there are yeah, some are very good. I suggest you to do that. Yeah, one more problem statement is for the COVID. I mean, you have given a clear explanation. Yeah, that's great. Maybe less than the population are there chances where one person can grab more than one vaccine, he can issue it to the other person. Guy, I think the Siddha also had a very good problem statements. One is for the halt certificates verification. Please, Siddha, I suggest you to develop I mean, move your functionalities towards developing the certifications, fraud certification. It may give you a better chance. I mean, there will be a lot of scope for the certification. Is that clear, Siddha? Great, Siddha. I expect you from your side that you are going to develop a app on the certifications. Clear? Is that clear? All the best for that. Pranit Kumar. Yeah, I get to that. Yeah, I think I'll need to see that. I hope I got your response, Gayatri. I'll just have, I'm just going through that. Cool, cool. Pranit Kumar, are you there? Cool. Yeah, hope. Yeah, you also, Pranit, don't limit yourself only to the to this course, to this content course. Okay, I hope you push your limits and may give you some time in developing your own project problem statements. Is that clear, Pranit? I can see that you have given the explanation, the hack, the crowdfunding, the soft fork, the hard fork. What is the hard fork? What is the soft fork? Yeah, having the potential is not important. How exactly we are using our potential is very important in a right way. I can see that you are given a clear explanation. Please use that in your making the problem statements of your own. I hope, can you do you need more time for that, for writing your contract, having the problem statements? Yeah, cool. Give your time, take your time, no problem. Even after the course you can do that. Please work on that. Okay, it may help you a lot. Cool. All the best for that, Pranit. All the best. So as we move, Hari Krishna, are you there? Cool. One of the most Hari Krishna active, the Nandana Siddha, Hari Krishna, Gayatri, Navya. So I have some names with me who are more active. So those are the guys. Anudeep, Rakesh. There are some guys who are more active, like Dinakar, Bhaskar. Please try to have more. Take the initiative and do the part, guys. Be active in the course. Yes, we should be very careful while creating that smart contracts. Clear? I hope you got that point, Hari Krishna. Just ended in a very smooth way. Yes, yeah, this is the one of the best use case you can implement our contracts. Are issued and the transaction are stored in the blocks for the acknowledgement purpose and the best. I hope Sai Krishna, please, I suggest you to develop in a way that there is a full end-to-end app. Okay, the first one as well as the second one. Make sure that yes, there are some use cases regarding this. Make sure that you have some unique specialty, unique field where it can be a more legitimate, and make sure that there are no loopholes. Okay, please make sure that you have in your project in the problem statement 1 and problem statement 2 land registration data. There are some guys, yeah, there are some problems. I know there are some huge problems we are dealing with. These are the one of the best use cases. We can use those. Okay, I hope everyone, please, I hope Hari Krishna, do your work on this. Okay, if you have any doubts, you are open to ask me. Okay, please have a look at this part. Please have some more functionality to your contracts and it's done to go. Is that clear, Hari Krishna? Cool. All the best for that, Hari Krishna. Sujana Priya, are you there? Yeah, cool. Yeah, but I hope some more detailed explanation for your DAO attack. But great, you have given that. Cool. Problems. Yeah, I mean, we'll have I think the problem statement 2, the flight delay insurance, FIZI. What does that FIZI mean? So, Sujana, there is in your contract too that there is a flight delay insurance in open braces, you have FIZI. What does that mean? It's your name given to your DAP. Cool, no issues. But I can't see. Yes. See, I suggest you also, Sujana, please concentrate more on the contract too. As yes, this is the main problem we are facing. I mean, the flight delays. Yes. I hope, yeah, most of the people will face this. There are some delays. I mean, the unexpected delays where they keep us waiting for more than 4 to 5 hours, even in the domestic as well as the international. They didn't even care for the customers. Cool. I personally suggest you to do this. Sujana, how many of you face this problem, guys? How many of you face this delay problem? Oh my God, it's like a horrible experience. Great taking this issue as a problem statements is a great one. Sujana, please please develop that app please have a contract and make sure that you have a with no loopholes. We'll just find out how efficiently we can create a app, convert this into an app. Is that clear, Sujana? Please have a great. I personally suggest you. This is my personal suggestion, Sujana. Please have a look into that, because I personally face this problem. Cool, great, Sujana. Have all the best for your DApp. Please have a look into that and develop that, Sujana. Great. So Navya, are you there, Navya? Cool. One of our students who have faced lot of problems in installing their dapps. I mean, installing the setup everywhere, but quick in response, quick in understanding, very active. Thanks for that, Navya. You're one of the students who's more active in our classes. Cool. Take your time, Navya. I hope you have given an explanation. I like that, but I can't see any further questions. Please, do you need more time, Navya, for this? Do you already have some problem statements? Are you there, Navya? Cool. All the best for that. Please, you're cool. All the best, Navya. Nagalakshmi, are you there, Nagalakshmi? Cool. You are ready to do that. Please do that. Are you there, Nagalakshmi? I hope Nagalakshmi is not there in our call, so that we'll move forward. We'll move forward. I hope. Last call, Nagalakshmi, are you there? Okay, then, cool. So, Fanindra Verma, are you there? Fanindra Verma, are you there? Cool, no issues. We'll move forward. Nikhil Mohana Sai, are you there? Nikhil Mohana Sai, are you there? Cool, great, Mohana Sai. So I think you also need some time, but taking into consideration of a Dava DAG, you have did a very good job, explained very well. 3.7 million ethos, yeah, stole there, hard fork, yeah. Thanks for mentioning all the points. Cool, but never mention that this is the end of a DAO. Okay, at the end, please conclude that in a proper way. Great, everything is great. Thanks for mentioning every point. Cool. I hope you also need some time. Please work on that in your problem statements. Hope you put your more efforts and develop that app. Clear? All the best, Mohana Sai. Lakshmi Tanuja, are you there? Lakshmi Tanuja, are you there?
Might be she's not there.
Cool, no issues, but she had a very good Dawata explanation, had a very good contracts, problem statements. Okay, we'll just move. Likita, Jyotsna Likita, I hope she is present in our class. I hope she has left our group, I think so, right? She had some exams. Cool. No issues. Cool, no problem. Ramakrishna, one of the most active student. Are you there? Cool. The most frequent name I have. Cool, but I hope you had a better explanation, I mean more detailed explanation for the Dow attack. Okay, yeah, you have concluded everything in a clean way, but I hope you given a detailed explanation of Dow attack. Cool. Your project. Great. I like your problem statement too. And the problem statement. Great. You are the problem statement one is a very unique way getting points to a decentralized way to launch a startup. I want to see how efficiently you can do this. Yeah, yes. I mean just figure out those points. If you need any help, I'm ready to help you out. Is that clear, Ramakrishna? All the best. I mean, you had a very good problem statements which can give a lot of scope for the second one, library and geo, as well as the first. Great. All the best. All the best. Please keep this enthusiasm continue. Okay. It's very good to have enthusiastic and be an active person in any way. I hope you continue till the last. Thanks. Thanks, Ramakrishna, for that. So next, Vivekananda. Are you there, Vivekananda? Vivekananda, are you there? Cool, no issues. Oh my God. Cool, no problem. Yeah, you're the guy who had a fake movie ratings, right? Yeah, this is a great one. I mean, we have. What you got resolved? So in the contract too, please. Cool, great, great. No issues, no issues. Try to use the in your contract. Try to use a version more than 5.2. Okay, I suggest you to use that, Vivekananda, and the contract one. Yeah, that's the fake movie ratings. Yeah, that's the way the reviews are the more important, playing more crucial role now. Yeah, that's how we can help those and we can reduce those. But we need to check how you. I love that you even mention the comments. No, try to give a version more than 5.2. Don't give the version 4.0, less than 5.2, because it will be definitely depreciated and it doesn't work, the contract. It can be easily attacked. Oh, so cool, Vivekananda, just make sure that give some time to your fake reviews and also for the update that smart contract too. All the best for that, Vivekananda. One more active student. We can call her as one of the most active students, Satya Gauri. Cool. I was pleased and moved with your assignment. I mean, you have given the one of the best. I can call it as one of the best explanation for any contract. A person who directly reads your contract statement can easily understand what are the exact problem your problem statement is and how you are solving that. Are you there, Satya Gauri? Oh my God. Is she there? Or else should we move to the Satya Gauri, are you there? A last call. But you had a very interesting explanation as well as for the DAO as well as for the problem statements. Cool. Please continue that. We'll just move to the another one. Cool. Thanks for that, Venkata Reddy. Yeah, I'm just moving. So next, Naveen. Munaparthi Naveen, are you there? Cool, Naveen. Cool. Oh my God. Thanks for detailed explanation, Naveen. Yeah, you are the guy who had a sub-currency standard. Cool. The second one also very interesting. Cool. Great, Naveen. Great. Just try to add some more functionalities and try to develop the second smart contract have working on. Guys, just a second, guys. I'm just reconnecting. There's a problem. There's a sudden drop in my network. Don't worry, there is a sudden drop in my network. But yeah, Naveen, you had a very good explanation and very good problem statement, Naveen. The unique ones. The second problem is a very good one. Please have a look in that, Naveen. I suggest you to have a look into that. Please develop that functionality. If you need any help, please, I'm ready to help you out. Is that clear? Cool. All the best for your development, Naveen. So guys, I think we'll just figure out the last. So I'll just stop with Naveen now. There are only some more responses which need to be gone through. As I said, as I promised before, I'll definitely give a response for that. Don't worry, we'll have a response tomorrow. But before that, do you have any doubts anywhere? Please let me know, guys.
This is the last 15 minutes. We'll just keep it for ourselves. If you have any doubts, please ask me now. Regarding your development, if you are facing any problem, anyway, please let me know, guys. I'm help you out. I'll help you out. Guys, is my voice is audible, right, to everyone? Cool then. If do you all? No, I need to check that. Do you got the success message from your side, Gayatri? Cool then. I need to check that. I mean, you are the one who have submitted the last. That's the reason I think you are at the I can see at the last one, I think so. Yeah, but there is a sudden drop in my network, so that's the reason I can't able to see or discuss any docs. But guys, please understood that tomorrow is the last day to complete this project, and tomorrow will be our last class. Okay, understood that? Is it clear to everyone? Tomorrow will be our last class. Please submit your projects by tomorrow. I'll just create a doc. You need to update in that doc. Okay, I'll just you will have a doc after the class in the group. Please go through that, and you have to submit that doc. Is that clear? And if you have any doubts, please be clear by tomorrow, because after tomorrow I'm done with this course. I mean, we are done with this course. Is that clear to everyone? There will be one more session, 1 hour session. No, I mean, tomorrow is the last date, guys. You need to complete that. If you have doubt anyway, I'll just help you out, but please try to, those are the easiest tasks which you need to complete. There are no difficult ones. You can complete those. No, I mean, how but how you can't just Ganachi, how do we submit the project? Guys, you guys need to figure out, guys. I mean, we are at the end of the course only. We have deployed our private blockchain. We have did a supply chain project. Everything is completed, right? We are at the end of the project, capstone project. What is the configuration of your system, Balaji Reddy? Please let me know in privately. If you are there, please let me know that. To which contract, to which project you are talking about? Yeah, cool. Yeah, understood now. You're the guy, right? Yeah. You are facing the problem for a long time. But no issues. I mean, do you have any other person? Please collaborate with him and try to complete this project. Do you have any other system you can complete that project? See, everyone has the same capstone project, right? See, if you know the Oh my God. Cool. Guys, have a look at the project and try to complete those in any other laptop you have access to. Any other laptop, please complete that. But guys, try to complete this project by tomorrow. As is, I mean, I hope, I thought that most of the students will complete the app by today itself. I personally thought that. I mean, there are no steps which are much larger, which takes 2 days. Okay, we have a easy contract. You, oh, cool, cool. Cool, no issues, no issues. Take your time, but try to complete the DAP by tomorrow. Is that clear to everyone? Great, great. All the best for your placements. Hope this course will be give an added advantage to your placements drive, guys. Use this as an advantage for your placements. Great, great. This can definitely help you all be a stand out from all the students. Thus, you all having a that's great. Cool, Nandana Siddha, cool. Have any more doubts, guys? Guys, today you'll get a Google form. Please fill that form accordingly. Please complete your project, and tomorrow we'll have a final responses. Tomorrow we'll have a final responses, and we'll complete the course, and we'll just give a overview of all the dApps, and also regarding your project. Okay, the capstone project. Cool. Yeah, see, after my session, there will be a 1 hour session from Arvind sir. Okay, there will be a 1 hour session. He'll give you all the details regarding that. Don't worry about that. Cool. Thanks, Vivekananda, for that. Don't worry about that. There will be a last 1 hour session from Arvind sir. Okay. Tomorrow will be my last class. Not for the course. Tomorrow will be my last class. So that after that day, there will be a closing session. I mean, the 1 hour class taken by the Arvind sir. Is that clear to everyone? Yeah, guys, I hope you all continue in working on your problem statements. If you have any doubts, you are open to ask me at any time. And as I told you before, I'll tell you again, please be, when you're asking any doubt, please be to the point. Okay. Oh my God. Thanks for that, Ramakrishna. No issues, but please, guys, please continue your problem statements. I only need that you need to complete your problem statements so that, see, just understand this, guys, this point. I have told you two problem statements, two use cases. You have two capstone projects now, like a two dApps, and you're working on your two problem statements. That's consider if the two problem statement can convert into dApp. See, in the meantime, we have a four dApps completed in this course. Can you understand, guys? Yeah, cool. Just cool, Gayatri, you can. Guys, please understand this point, guys. You have completed, I have explained you 2 dApps. You are working on one capstone project, working on another capstone, one done with that. You have 2 capstone projects done. You are working on 2 problem statements of your own. See, you have completed to the 4th capstone project. That's how you need to use our time. Cool, understand now? You have 4 capstone projects, guys, in the less than 20 hours. Have you understand now? What is the main reason we have to have our own problem statements according to our own scenarios? You'll get that motive to work on your problem statements. Cool, that's a great thing. Please make this enthusiasm, please have this enthusiasm till the last, guys. You'll have the 4 dApps. I mean, 2 are already done. You are only left with 2. See, in the meantime, when completing your project, as we have promised, we have 3 projects, but you are now going with the 4 projects, where 2 will be completed by your own. That's not considered by our course, but 2 will be definite. 2 are comes to through the course, and 2 are done by your problem statements. That's a great thing you all can do. Even you have even you, if you have want to mention in any way in any interview, have a, because you have that skill, you have developed your dApps, you have developed 4 dApps, I mean 2 dApps on your own, you have the underlying technology on your hands. Please use that skills, guys. Please work on your problem statements. Is that clear to everyone? I hope. Please use this opportunity, guys. Please understand the layers why the exact reason I given that assignment. I hope you understand that one and try to work on that. Is that clear? Now the guys who are done, who are in this course, are going with the 4 capstone projects. Is that clear? And if you have any doubts anyway in regarding the help of the capstone project, please, I am ready to help you all. Is that clear? Please work on those. Great, great. Great guys. Please have the same enthusiasm. And guys, please be active tomorrow. Please be come in time. And everyone, please be present tomorrow. We'll complete our project. We'll give a quick overview of everything, and we are done. Is that clear to everyone? Cool. Have a great day, guys. Please complete the project and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.